Here's how to get a free Google Voice phone number. Now, I'm on my Android phone, but the nice thing is you can do this on an iPhone or computer, any device really. And you have two options. One option is to download the Google Voice app, or you don't even need to do that. You can get a Google Voice phone number by just opening up a web browser and typing in directly to voice.google.com. Now, after you've done that, make sure to tap on the profile at the top right and make sure that you are on the correct Google account that you want that Google Voice phone number for. And now you can see at the bottom it says get a number. Or if you don't see that, just tap on the gear icon at the top right. And then it says you don't have a Google Voice phone number, and I'm going to tap get a number. Now, it says choose a phone number. We suggested one for you based on your area. You can see this is what it suggested. But I can also pick a different phone number, and you can see it says search by city or area code. So I live in Raleigh, North Carolina. So I'm going to search for Raleigh, and you'll be able to see it gives me some options, again, in Cary, not necessarily within Raleigh, but pretty close, and you can find the right number for you. Let's say I like this number. All we're going to do after you've done that is tap on that phone number, and it will say you've selected this phone number. To complete setup, you need to verify your existing phone number. So you do need an existing phone number on your Android phone or your iPhone. Essentially what you're going to do is enter in your current phone number, and then from there it will basically text you a code. You can see it says inbound calls to your Google Voice number will be forwarded to this number. Google Voice will send you a text message. So all you need to do is enter in whatever that phone number is. I just entered in something random and hit send code. After you've done that, you'll get that Google Voice number. Now, after you've gotten the Google Voice number, let me just go back out of here. It'll look something like this. You'll be able to see all of your calls. You can tap on the three lines at the top left, get to your messages or voicemail, or if there are any archived or spam calls, you can access them there. And if you're making international calls, tap on the gear icon at the top right. And then from here, from your settings, for whatever reason that's not loading, let's try to get that to load again. Let's just try to load this. Tap on the gear icon at the top right, and then scroll down and tap on payments and just top up your balance so that you can make international calls on your Google Voice number. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll like that too. And thanks for watching.